I'm gonna do upstairs video now. Rebuild staircase. Here's the look through into the pantry. There's a door here. Where I'm guessing there used to be a deck, but now it's just a rubber roof over the back part of the kitchen. Looking out to the yard and the garage. And there's two entries into this room over here. This room was never quite finished. Doorway. It's a third bedroom that's unfinished. Then there's like kind of a sitting area, playroom, extra family room that leads into the largest bedroom in the home that never quite got finished either, although it is wired for some sconces. Or you could make that other room into a bathroom, potentially, a master suite. Instead of a fourth bedroom, make it a 3 and 2 instead of 4 and 1. But there's a huge walk-in closet in here with the exposed chimney, kind of a cool feature. And then the doorway, which is ready to have a barn door up here. Back out into this room. And then that, which could either be a bathroom or a fourth bedroom. And that is the upper floor.